There are many benefits to grooming your cat. Brushing your cat's fur regularly helps to keep their coat healthy, and it's a chance for you to look for any fleas, lumps or bumps or any other wounds, and it's a great way to bond with them too. That's why it's important to know how to groom them properly and safely in order to maintain that special relationship between you and your cat. In this video, we'll cover the basics of how to get your cat used to grooming, different types of grooming tools that you can use, and a step-by-step guide on how best to brush your cat's fur. There are many different types of grooming tools, from combs to brushes and even gloves. What type of tool you use is dependent on the condition of your cat's coat, how frequently you need to groom, and most importantly, how your cat responds to the grooming tool itself. For example, long-haired cats may be best suited to a wide-toothed comb, whereas for shorter-haired cats, a zoom groom or a grooming mitt may be sufficient. Ultimately, whatever your cat prefers is the correct tool to use, so you may have to try a few different ones until you find the right one. Training your cat to get used to grooming may take a few days or even weeks if they're wary, so be patient and consistent with this step-by-step guide. However, if after a few weeks your cat is not responding well to grooming training, you should contact your vet or a qualified cat behaviourist. Before introducing your cat to a grooming tool, stroke them gently in the areas you may wish to groom, such as the head, face and back. This will help them to relax and get used to the sensation of being touched in those areas. Place your cat brush or comb near your cat and allow them to inspect it in their own time. Reward them with a small treat or some fuss, or offer them their favourite toy when they do. This will create a positive association with the grooming tool. Once the cat is used to the grooming tool, allow them to inspect it whilst it's in your hand. If they are hesitant, you may need to revert back to step 1 and continue to stroke with your hands without the grooming tool touching them. Offer the grooming tool for them to rub against. If they choose to rub against it, gradually increase the movement into more of a grooming motion. Brush for only 1 to 2 seconds to begin with, then remove the brush and assess how your cat has responded. You should now be able to groom your cat in areas they've been accustomed to being stroked. With their preferred tool, gently comb their fur with short strokes in the same direction the fur is growing, to mimic the way the cat would groom themselves. Grooming should always be done very gently without pushing the tool down into the skin. If they like to move around while being groomed, always move the tool away from the direction the cat is travelling to avoid snagging the skin. For cats with slightly matted coats, do not tug at the mats. These may need to be worked out over a period of time. Using the technique of rolling an upright comb over the fur may help to release the smaller mats. If the matting is severe, you should seek professional advice from your vet. To accustom your cat to grooming for longer periods, you can use the groom, stop, reward technique. Each time your cat allows you to groom, stop after a few strokes and reward them with a small treat. Next time you groom, increase the number of strokes before you stop and treat them. Repeating this pattern over time will increase their tolerance and allow you to groom for long enough without having to treat them. If using treats during training, be sure to keep an eye on their weight and adjust their diet accordingly to avoid overeating. We hope you found this video helpful. For more information, please visit our website.